Hello, welcome to this video in our engineering notebook series. My name is Megan and I'm team captain and technical captain of FTC 18367 Graffiti. In this video, we will be going over the importance of the engineering notebook and then discuss different methods to creating the notebook, including Google Docs, Adobe InDesign, and handwriting it. We hope this video is helpful to your team when considering how to make the notebook. In other videos in this series, we will go over the sections of the engineering notebook and how to create robot logs, so check out our channel for more content. The engineering notebook is used in the judging process of FTC. Judges view your notebook and portfolio to see if you might be an award contender. The notebook must meet certain criteria to be eligible for awards. The notebook also helps judges see your progress and journey throughout the season, which is really important in the FTC process. Lastly, the notebook can be used for your own team's good. If you want to look back on previous versions of your robot and to see how it was built, the notebook is a really great tool to do that. One main thing to decide when starting your notebook is what to make it with. There are three main choices that our team recommends considering. They are Google Docs, handwritten, or Adobe InDesign. Google Docs is what the majority of teams use. This is easy to share among team members, easy to format, spell check, and edit the text, and works well within G Suite, which most students already use and are comfortable with. The downsides to using Google Docs is that it's hard to format pictures, charts, and graphics onto the pages. It is also hard to create templates for your logs and different sections, and it can be hard to manage long engineering notebook documents and to start new pages and rearrange them. Lastly, it can also be harder to create a brand from your notebook and make it really look like it's for your own team. This is where another option comes in called Adobe InDesign. This is a software that is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud bundle. It is a graphic design software that allows you to make multiple page documents with a wide variety of graphic design layouts. Using the Adobe InDesign allows teams with It is a graphic design software that allows you to make multi-page documents with a wide variety of graphic design layouts. This is an option that's probably best for more established teams or teams with a member interested in learning graphic design. Using the Adobe InDesign allows teams to easily arrange, edit, and size photos within each page. You can also create custom graphic cycles and flowcharts fairly easily. It is much more professional looking, and you can also easily arrange different pages in a long document. And there are also options for reoccurring headers and footers that help you incorporate your own team's branding into the notebook. The downsides to InDesign is that it costs $250 per every 2 devices, so it's not as easy to have access for all team members. There's also some learning curve to using the software, although we found that with a bit of practice, it's nothing too hard to overcome. And one option is that you can write your log, the text, in a Google Doc, and then a team member could copy and paste it into InDesign along with all the pictures, graphics, and screenshots that you want to add to share with the judges. So the next option is handwriting your notebook. In a handwritten notebook, you can put sketches directly into the notebook, and anything you brainstorm can be easily displayed. It enables teams to show true in-the-moment design. But the cons to handwriting the notebook is that it's hard to add pictures and CAD screenshots, and it's also not as easy to share among team members because there's only one copy. Also, you should make sure that your handwriting is legible so the judges don't have problems reading it. Because some teams are virtual practicing, have virtual tournaments, or may be forced to move to virtual partway through the year, we really recommend considering an online option, especially this year, so you don't have to either scan it all into a PDF or have problems with the notebook only being at one person's house during a potential quarantine or something like that. So now that you've heard about all three options, you need to think about what is best for your team. So our team uses a mix of Google Docs and Adobe InDesign. We have our team members write logs in our shared team drive, Google Drive, after each practice. And then every week or two, one team member will insert all the photos and add text into the InDesign. This helps us a lot in organizing the logs into the exact manner we want in InDesign software. Some problems that teams run into if they use Google Docs is not being able to change the order of their pictures or rearrange them and making sure that each log starts correctly on each page. But for us, we were actually able to completely rearrange all of our logs in just a few minutes using InDesign. So if you want to see more examples of our notebook using InDesign, please look at the other 2 videos in this engineering notebook series, and we have tons of examples for you guys to look at. If you're a new team simply looking to start a notebook, Google Docs would probably be the best option for you. If you're an older team looking to improve your notebook, switching to InDesign could make a huge difference in the overall content and quality of your notebook, leaving a much better and more polished impression on the judges. So I want you to think about the 3 options we present and consider which might be right for your team. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. DM us or email us with any questions you've had, and we'd be more than happy to talk with you or share more. Thank you for watching.